Scottish Aviation Bulldog. Nice model of C47 and Horse and Glider. And here we have a Gloucester Meteor T7. I've actually worked on this one, did some decorroding on the canopy. Cockpit of a couple of gliders that were used for the Air Training Corps. The Slingsbys, I believe. Kirby's, I think. Yeah, Kirby Cadet, that's it. Actually, it says it there. This is a fuselage frame from a Hawker Typhoon. Tempest? Yeah, Tempest, this one. Can't remember that. The tail of the Meteor. It's a Vampire T11. And the Goblin engine. Built by D'Havilland, of course. That is an Auster. Beautiful aeroplane. And the wing there is a Slingsby glider. Another view of the Vampire. Just got a step. Get a nice view of the D'Havilland Chipmunk. Superb aircraft. I've flown 4 of those. It's a Robinson R22 helicopter. All glidery type things. And a Cessna 150. And behind that, a Whirlwind helicopter. You can't see very much, but this is a cockpit of a Robinson helicopter. And view of the instrument panel. You can't see it very well because it's really dark, but not a lot of room inside this thing. Back to the Cessna. Yeah, it's 150 this one. Superb, beautiful aeroplane. Responsible for training many thousands of pilots throughout the world. And a great little aeroplane. I've been lucky enough to fly actually hands-on fly a few of these. Not, well, as a student. And same with the Chipmunk, which is just there. And I've worked on a few of these as well. Here we are underneath the Auster. Great little aeroplane, and this thing is potentially airworthy. It'll take that much work to get it up in the air again. Let's see it fly. But and this, of course, is a Whirlwind helicopter. I don't really appreciate the size of these things until you get up close to them. That being the winch used in Air Sea Rescue. This, I believe, is one of the early Whirlwinds. Might even be a pre-production one. I know it was very early. That's a Thompson fuel bowser used on RAF airfields. And behind that is a little Starduster aerobatic biplane. Nice little thing. You can't see very well in there. See a little bit better in that one. It's the cockpit of a Hawk 748 and a Beagle Airedale, I believe this one is. Yeah, Beagle Airedale. Behind that, a Sycamore helicopter. And this is the cockpit section of a Tornado F2, and above that is a Lancaster bomb bay. And an aerial overhead view of the Auster. Going around to microlight of some description. I'm not into microlights much, so don't know that much about them. There we have another Whirlwind helicopter. Whirlwind helicopter. And just an overhead view of the museum. And the scale replica of the NSE-5. And 1:1 scale replica of an aeroplane called an Austin Whippet, which Austin, of course, many car fanatics will tell you, is a car manufacturing company. Also made an aeroplane, obviously. Scale model of a D'Havilland Dragon. and a couple more scale models. Hastings in the foreground and VC-10 in the background, and another probably an XRC along with Lysander. Right, back again with an overhead view. The 748 cockpit, the Airedale. That's a tail fin from an 11 Squadron Tornado. Sycamore helicopter, fuselage frame, which I believe may be from a Tiger Moth, I'm not sure, to be honest. And again, Whirlwind helicopter, and the other Whirlwind, and in the background there, you just see it make out the Wessex. Just coming down the stairs now, that is the rear section of the Lancaster. That was being worked on at British Aerospace when there was a hangar collapse and the aircraft was badly damaged. Unfortunately, a workman was killed. It's an airfield tow tractor used for towing aeroplanes and equipment about. It's a Bell 47 Sioux helicopter, ex-British Army Blue Eagles helicopter aerobatics team. I remember watching them at Randy Park Gala many moons ago. God, I feel old now. And this is the Sarah Skeeter helicopter, very early British Army helicopter. These are propeller blades from a fighter aircraft or whatever type. They're actually used as a fence after World War II. They were an aircraft scrapyard and somebody cut the blades off and utilised propeller blades as a fence. So they've been displayed as they would have looked being used as a fence. Bit unusual but neat. And here we have a Gazelle helicopter that would be rebuilt by the Army Air Corps for the Aircraft Museum. Unfortunately somebody were killed in this when it was shot down during the Falklands conflict. And behind his, in fact I'll pause this and get a better view from the other side. Bad view because of the glare, but Wessex helicopter, as used in the Falklands. And here a general view, we've got some cockpit sections, a couple of Hunter single-seaters, and a Hunter T7, and a Gloucester Meteor. And lastly, a view looking down at the reproduction of the Hadrian glider cockpit section. Be used in a film, I think the Band of Brothers maybe, I'm not sure. And the Sycamore helicopter. That concludes our quick look around the Aircraft Museum here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.